In front of me is Redmi Note 14S, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready, tap on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom left corner and hit all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, select the same icon and this time tap on Photos. Now tap on any photo you wish to attach. And then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!